Alright, so you can put some butter in your pan over here. That's about it. So then, gonna go like this. Let it get all around the pan. Now this might fail because this is a weird ass pan, but we're working with what we got here. Alright, let's go. So we'll be back with you when the butter is melted and the water is kind of getting there. Wait, hold up. You want to put salt in your water.
Why do we put salt in our water?
I don't fucking know.
So it boils faster.
Because scientifically, it lowers the rate.
Just stop. We're not here for a science lesson. Fucking no.
I've told you.
I swear to fucking God.
I told you fucks to fucking
Are you
dump it out.
recording, by the way? Oh, fuck.
What?
Shit. Hey. Give me that. Fuck. Shit, I got it. Damn. Fuck, it's not even lit. It's not even fucking lit. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck, we're recording. Shit.
Alright, so
butter.
We're out of vegetable oil, so we're putting butter in our water. Don't judge us. It's just to help the noodles to not stick together. So, we're gonna mix that shit. Oh, by the way, our butter melted over here, so, yeah. Tyrone, you need to come over here and start cooking meat if you want to. Oh, wait, no. I trust myself cooking meat. Fuck you.
Ah!
You keep
There was not enough room in this goddamn kitchen.
Put a little bit more butter in that water.
Okay.
So, pan's back on heat. I don't know if we're gonna use all this. Make sure you wash your hands. Don't want your friends to get sick. Or you just poison it with anthrax and they all die within 7 seconds. So,
I dumped a pound of cocaine in the meat. Don't tell them though.
I'm right here.
Fuck. You weren't supposed to hear that.
It's the bad thing with recording with other people is you don't know how they're gonna be. Why am I putting this in a ball? Alright, so we're gonna take our fettuccine noodles. For some reason, fettuccine noodles are my favorite and his favorite for some reason when it comes to this kind of noodle. Right? Am I right or wrong?
I mean, I prefer bow tie more, but like, fettuccine is really good.
I'm talking about like spaghetti type noodle, not fucking.
Yes.
We're gonna throw
for that. Fettuccine is really good. Exactly. Whoever uses angel hair pasta for fucking spaghetti, die in a house fire.
Hey, you might want to add some more meat to that. So we're gonna take our noodles. Oh shit. Fuck. Take our noodles. Just gonna throw them in. That's about it.
Just kind of throw them in.
Just throw them in. Throw them in. We're gonna take our second box here. Just gonna throw them in. Just like that. Take a noodle, fucking throw it at your camera guy. How you doing?
Alright, now we're gonna crank this bitch.
To high?
To a 6.
No, too high.
Too high? I'm too high.
There you go. I'm pretty sure the viewers should know this.
Fuck! This is my crack tube. I smoke crack.
Alright, so it looks like our meat and noodles are done. Looks pretty good. Wish we had I'll set it there for right now. Noodles are done. So we're gonna drain these. So you want to drain them? You hold it, I'll fucking.
Teamwork. Alright.
Is it all?
It's good to have you.
Oh yeah, that's fine. Alright, now, I forgot to say this in the beginning, but we have 3 cheese pasta sauce. That's what we're gonna use. So now we're just gonna
crack it open a cold one with the boys.
Crack it open a cold one with the boys. We're just gonna throw
cracking open a saucy one.
Throw that in.
That noise. Put water in that.
Yes, I know.
Pro tip, put water in the...
I'm the one who taught you.
Didn't.
Actually, with the cans. You're just gonna throw it away? So happy. Is right now. Say I'm proud.
Yaga.
Oh shit, I forgot you put the second one in. I was like, dude, did we only put one in?
I have been tasked with putting the hamburger into this fucking
Mission
big ass...
failed, we'll get them next time.
Man, Captain Price is back. This is a pain. If you've ever worked with a square pan before, you'd know my pain. Don't fall. Fuck! Mission failed.
That lit ass ad, bro. Okay, now watch this amazingness. So we're gonna fix our spoon. Mr. Captain Burr, he kind of broke our spoon yesterday, so thanks, man. No reaction, just.
Oh, what's up, Dink? Oh, there you are. Hey, wow, you guys ready to do music show?
Forks shouldn't look like this. This is one of the defects. They're not.
See, if you watch our videos, you lose a couple chromosomes. That fork was used in the making of this video, so it kind of killed itself. So now we're just gonna like try and get the meat into the sauce. And then now we have it on 4, so it'll heat up everything. So the sauce is nice and warm and shit. I wish we had a bigger pan.
That's the biggest pan we have. Kill me. You fucking son of...
That's why I don't cook with you, kid.
Fight me!
You little shit.
God damn it!
Hey, food. Hey, pick that fucking beanie up.
You threw it, you fucking pick it up.
You're a little shit.
You're a dick.
A little bit of conflict.
The fuck was that?
Please stand by.
Please send in money. I have an abusive father.
No wonder he's abusive.
I'm the abusive one. Yeah! What? Nope.
Not fighting you anymore.
Welcome to Casting Couch with Tier. Today we're doing BDSM. This duct tape will be a great help in our adventure.
Terry, stand up against the wall. Stand up against the wall, put your arms up.
Oh no, officer, are you gonna search me? Hey!
Back to cooking.
So yeah, cooking.
Now, it's looking pretty good right now. It's heating up. Oh hell yeah, you probably should have turned that on a bit ago. Then we turn the fan on low.
Don't know why we didn't think of that.
It's fucking hot in here now. Well, now this looks pretty done. The sauce is heated up. And we're gonna get it plated and served to the boys. Plus we need to put that fucking meat away too.
Using my crack pipe.
It's wet.
My hands are wet. Doesn't fucking matter.
Alright, so we'll see you when it's all plated up.
You gotta talk sensually to the noodles. You know it's good when it flops. Fucking like that. Oh fuck, no!
It's my spoon.
Holy fuck, it's my crack dealer. Ow!
I just beat his ass with a spoon.
Didn't know throwing knives were part of BDSM. Oh, it's gonna take 4. Took 1.
Really?
Yeah.
How badly did you smash it?
Not very badly.
Heard you told your friends that I'm just not your type. If that's how you really feel, then why'd you call last night? You say all I ever do is just control your life. But how you gonna
Food
lie
porn.
like that? How you gonna
Pretty much.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, that cheese smells so like weird, but good at the same time.
I would've taken it. Chunks of tomato or the shit.
Fucking bomb. Why is it that we always make some ghetto shit and it comes out good?
I mean, spaghetti ain't really ghetto.
The way
That's
we
really
made it
good.
though, think about it.
Oh yeah, it's pretty good.
That's really good.
Till next time, with
We're cooking with Gabe.
featuring
Tyrone, otherwise known as Tier.
The faggot.
The Gimbadator.
What the fuck? And the cameraman.
Captain Butter Cookie.
Are you gonna fucking turn it on?